If you're new to the world of crypto, you're in luck. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what crypto mining is, how it works, and how people actually make money from it. To understand mining, you first need to know the basics of blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies. Essentially, blockchain is a digital ledger, like a bank statement. But instead of being stored in a bank's database and controlled by a central institution, it is distributed across thousands of computers worldwide. Every time someone sends cryptocurrency over this network, the transaction is recorded on this ledger. Since everyone in the network has a copy of the ledger, transactions can be verified by multiple participants, making the system secure and decentralized. So what is mining? Let's use an analogy. Imagine a treasure hunt where individuals are digging for gold with shovels. Whoever finds a gold nugget first gets to keep it. In the cryptocurrency world, the gold nugget represents a newly created coin. The shovel represents a powerful mining computer. And the competition is about solving a cryptographic puzzle before anyone else. Let's take Bitcoin as an example. Bitcoin doesn't have a central bank to verify transactions. Instead, it relies on miners, specialized computers that validate transactions and secure the network. To incentivize miners, the system rewards them with newly minted Bitcoins when they successfully validate a block of transactions. But to keep things fair, miners must compete for work by solving a difficult cryptographic puzzle. Simply put, miners do this by trying to guess a secret code. They keep trying different numbers over and over until one of them finds the right answer. The first miner to find the correct code wins the race and earns the right to add the transactions to the ledger and receive the reward, newly created Bitcoins. This type of mining is called proof of work, because miners essentially have to work to guess the code. Proof of work powers such currencies as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Caspa, and many others. However, this method requires enormous computational power and consumes vast amounts of electricity. In contrast, another validation method, proof of stake, offers a more energy-efficient alternative. It is used by cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. In the proof of stake method, validators are chosen by the system not based on the work they put in, but rather by their stake. So, instead of solving puzzles, validators are chosen based on the amount of cryptocurrency they stake or lock up as collateral. Generally speaking, the more they stake, the higher their chances of them being selected to validate transactions and receive rewards. And since validators don't compete by working hard on solving a puzzle, the process is way less energy consuming. So, how do people make money from mining? As you now know, miners make money by earning cryptocurrency rewards for validating transactions. But there is actually another way miners earn money, and that is by collecting transaction fees. Every time someone sends cryptocurrency, they pay a small transaction fee. Miners collect these fees as income. However, since mining requires expensive hardware and high electricity costs, it is not always profitable. To increase chances of earning consistent rewards, many miners join mining pools, groups that merge computing power, work collectively to solve cryptographic puzzles, and share the rewards proportionally. We've got plenty of exciting videos coming up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out.